Welcome back to Mzansi SU, your home for the hottest, most talked about stories in South African entertainment. If you haven't subscribed yet, now is the time, because the story we are about to get into, it's messy, it's serious, and it's unfolding in real time. So picture this: you wake up, scroll through your phone, and suddenly one of the most controversial voices in South African gossip is trending for something completely different. Not for exposing celebrities, not for breaking another scandal, but because he is a wanted man. Yes, we are talking about Musa Khawula, and this time it's not just online noise. This is real-world pressure catching up. Now let's take it back for a second. Musa Khawula built his name by doing what many people were too afraid to do: speaking, posting, and exposing celebrity stories without filters. And whether you loved him or hated him, you watched. Because let's be honest, when Musa dropped something, timelines would freeze. People would say, "Wait, is this true?" Others would say, "He's lying, allegedly." But either way, everyone was paying attention. And that kind of attention, it comes with power, but also consequences. Because behind every post, behind every allegation, there are real people, real reputations, real damage. Now, according to reports that have been circulating, Musa Khawula is facing multiple legal battles. We are talking about serious accusations, defamation, crimen injuria, the kind of cases that don't just disappear. And here's where things start getting even more intense. It is being said that Musa allegedly failed to appear in court. And if you know anything about the legal system, that's not something you play with. Missing a court date doesn't just raise eyebrows. It can trigger a warrant, which is exactly why people are now saying Musa Khawula is being sought by authorities. Let that sink in. The same person who was calling people out, the same person who had the internet in a chokehold, is now allegedly the one being looked for. And just like that, the narrative flips. Now, of course, social media is doing what it does best: reacting. Some people are saying, "Finally, accountability." Others are saying, "This is a setup, allegedly." And then there are those who are just sitting back, refreshing their timelines every 5 minutes, waiting for the next update. Because with Musa, silence is loud. And right now, he's been very quiet. No explosive tweets, no clapbacks, no breaking stories. And that silence, it's making people even more suspicious. Some are even asking, is he laying low? Is he avoiding the situation? Or is he, behind the scenes, trying to fix things legally? But beyond the drama, there's a bigger conversation here. Because this situation is forcing people to ask a very uncomfortable question. Where is the line between gossip and defamation? Because in today's world, especially on platforms like X, it's easy to post. It's easy to go viral. It's easy to say allegedly and move on. But in real life, there are consequences. And in South Africa, defamation cases can get very serious very quickly. So now, what we might be witnessing is more than just Musa Khawula's personal situation. This could be a turning point, a moment where the industry and social media as a whole starts to rethink how far is too far. Because if someone as influential and as fearless as Musa can end up in this position, allegedly, then what does that mean for everyone else doing the same thing? Now, at this point, there are still a lot of unanswered questions. Has he been officially arrested? Is there truly an active warrant? Or is this situation being exaggerated online, allegedly. And until there's a clear, confirmed update, everything remains part of a developing story. But one thing is certain, Mzansi is watching closely. Because whether you support him or not, Musa Khawula changed the gossip game. And now, the same spotlight he used on others is shining directly back at him. And it's intense. So now I want to hear from you. Do you think Musa Khawula crossed the line, or do you think he's being targeted? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Because here at Mzansi SU, we don't just follow the story, we break it down as it happens.